My name's Jan White. I'm the founder and the director of the Queer Emporium in Cardiff. We're a non-profit and a social enterprise for the LGBTQ community here, and we do a variety of things. Not only are we open as a safe space every day, doing lots of different events and stuff like that, we also have our bigger events where we use the Royal Arcade and build a stage and make it into a big thing for up to 100 people to come to. By getting the grant from Cardiff Council, it's meant we've managed to massively upgrade our tech equipment for the events, which means if you come now, you'll see that we have a full lit stage with lights that go up through the arcade. We find that we attract everyone in terms of different styles and genres. I think the LGBTQ group is so big, it's such a big community, and we're broad and we have lots and lots and lots of different facets within us. And I think that's part of the amazing stuff that goes on here, is seeing all of those different people coming together in one space. I think some of the other venues have almost described us as a stepping stone venue. So LGBTQ young people can't go into most venues, they're not allowed to step over the threshold. Whereas in here we've made it a real important core point that young people are in here and they are allowed to be in here. So it gives them the confidence to maybe then go to a bigger venue. I think going to live shows, for me, the thing which makes it really special is that you're seeing an individual on stage doing something which is individual. It's even if they're doing the cover of a song, it's still got their own individual stamp on it.
Because you get to experience music and performance and art in person. You get to experience the atmosphere. You can meet people that share similar interests. You might have nothing else in common apart from love of music or love of performance, but it's just an atmosphere where everyone's just there to have a good time. I think it brings people together.